The Arthrix clavicle plates are ideally suited for fixation of midshaft and distal clavicle fractures. Stability of distal fractures can be enhanced by integrating coracoid fixation into the plate using a knotless plate button and a dog bone button. Reduce the fracture and temporarily fix the pre-contoured plate onto the clavicle. Place the drill guide into the appropriate plate slot and drill a bicortical hole. Measure for the screw length and insert the screw until it seats flush into the plate. Thread the distal drill guide into the plate and insert a guide sleeve. Leave the guide sleeve in place and drill a bicortical hole. Measure for screw length and insert the screw through the guide sleeve until it seats flush into the plate. Repeat for the other desired screws. Place the AC guide at the base of the coracoid. Place the drill sleeve in the plate slot and drill a 3 mm tunnel through the clavicle and coracoid. Remove the guide and retrieve a fiber stick through the drill. Shuttle the knotless tightrope loops through the bone tunnels and attach a dog bone button to the loops. Shuttle the loops until the dog bone button seats at the base of the coracoid. Cinch the self-locking tightrope loops until the plate button seats into the plate. Cut the free suture limbs to complete the knotless repair.